Are you a senior who finds yourself sweating more than usual? You're not alone. In this video, we're diving into the common issue of excessive sweating among older adults. Sweating can be more than just a minor inconvenience. It can affect your daily life and overall comfort. But why does it happen, and what can you do about it? Stick around, and we'll break down the causes of this condition and offer practical tips to help you manage it effectively. By the end of this video, you'll gain valuable insights into how to stay cool and comfortable, no matter the situation. Whether you're curious about natural remedies or wondering if it could be a sign of something more serious, we've got you covered. So, let's explore this important topic together and empower you to take control of your health today. Excessive sweating, or hyperhidrosis, is a condition that affects millions of people worldwide, often leaving them feeling embarrassed and isolated. It's not just a matter of sweating a little more than usual. Hyperhidrosis is characterized by an overwhelming amount of perspiration that occurs without any apparent trigger, such as heat or physical activity. This condition can be localized to specific areas, like the palms, feet, or underarms, or it can affect the entire body. It's crucial to understand that hyperhidrosis is not merely a nuisance. It can significantly impact one's quality of life, affecting social interactions, job performance, and even mental health. Imagine a young professional at a networking event. She's dressed impeccably, but as she engages in conversation, she feels beads of sweat trickling down her back, leaving her anxious and self-conscious. This scenario is all too common for individuals with hyperhidrosis. The emotional toll can be profound, leading to avoidance of social situations, decreased self-esteem, and even depression. The journey of understanding hyperhidrosis is not just about managing symptoms. It's about reclaiming confidence and comfort in everyday life. As we delve deeper into the reasons some people are affected more than others, we uncover a complex interplay of genetics, environment, and physiological responses. Studies show that hyperhidrosis can run in families, suggesting a hereditary component. Additionally, emotional triggers like stress and anxiety can exacerbate the condition, leading to a cycle of discomfort that seems unbreakable. The question many find themselves asking is, why does this happen to me? This is where knowledge becomes power. Understanding the different types of hyperhidrosis is essential. Primary hyperhidrosis typically begins in childhood or adolescence and is often localized, while secondary hyperhidrosis can develop later in life and is usually caused by underlying medical conditions or medications. For instance, certain medications for depression or high blood pressure can include excessive sweating as a side effect. Being aware of these factors not only helps in identifying the condition, but also in seeking appropriate treatment. The emotional landscape surrounding hyperhidrosis can feel overwhelming, but it's important to remember that you are not alone. Many individuals share similar experiences. They understand the frustration and embarrassment that can accompany this condition. Sharing stories of resilience and coping strategies can foster a sense of community and support. Consider the story of a gentleman who, after years of feeling ashamed, finally sought help. With the right combination of medical advice and lifestyle changes, he transformed his relationship with sweating, allowing him to engage fully in activities he once avoided. As we explore the triggers and effects of hyperhidrosis, we open the door to understanding how we can manage it effectively. For those grappling with this condition, the prospect of relief can seem distant, but with the right strategies, it is within reach. From choosing appropriate clothing materials to utilizing specialized antiperspirants, small changes can yield significant improvements. As we move forward in this discussion, remember that knowledge is a powerful ally. Learning about hyperhidrosis not only equips you with the tools to manage your symptoms, but also helps dispel the myths and misconceptions surrounding the condition. So, as we continue, think about the strategies you can implement in your life. What changes can you make today that will enhance your comfort and confidence tomorrow? Together, we can navigate this journey, turning what may feel like a burden into an opportunity for empowerment and growth. As we age, our bodies undergo a series of complex changes that can significantly affect our overall functioning, including our sweat glands. This transformation often leaves many individuals puzzled and sometimes frustrated, especially when they find themselves sweating excessively in situations where it previously would not have been an issue. Understanding the connection between aging and sweating can shed light on this perplexing phenomenon, revealing why it happens and how to manage it effectively. One of the key factors influencing excessive sweating in seniors is hormonal changes. As we age, our hormone levels fluctuate, which can have a direct impact on how our bodies regulate temperature. For instance, during menopause, women experience a significant drop in estrogen, which can lead to hot flashes and excessive sweating. Imagine waking up in the middle of the night, drenched in sweat, feeling both confused and uncomfortable. This experience is not uncommon and often sparks a sense of urgency to find answers. Additionally, changes in metabolism play a crucial role in how our body processes heat. As we get older, our metabolic rate tends to slow down, which means our bodies may not cool themselves as efficiently as they once did. This can lead to an increased likelihood of sweating, even in situations where the temperature is controlled. The moment you step into a well-air-conditioned room and still feel beads of sweat forming can be disheartening. However, recognizing that this is a natural part of aging can provide some reassurance. Medications are another important factor that can exacerbate sweating issues. Many seniors are prescribed various medications for health conditions, and some of these can have side effects that include excessive sweating. For example, certain antidepressants or blood pressure medications may interfere with the body's ability to regulate temperature effectively. This realization can be eye-opening. It's essential to communicate openly with your healthcare provider about any changes you're experiencing, as they may be able to adjust your medication or suggest alternatives that are less likely to cause this side effect. Moreover, underlying health conditions, such as diabetes or thyroid disorders, can contribute to excessive sweating. If you've been diagnosed with such conditions, it's vital to manage them properly. Engaging in regular check-ins with your healthcare team can help you stay informed about how these conditions may impact your body as you age. For instance, someone with hyperthyroidism may find themselves sweating excessively due to an overactive thyroid, leading to a cycle of discomfort and confusion about what is happening. As we reflect on these changes, it's important to remember that you are not alone in this experience. Many seniors grapple with similar issues, and there is a community of support available. Sharing your experiences with friends or joining support groups can provide a sense of camaraderie. Perhaps you've heard stories of others who have successfully navigated this journey, finding solutions and strategies that work for them. In conclusion, understanding the connection between aging and sweating is a crucial step in managing this common issue. By recognizing the role of hormonal changes, metabolism, medications, and underlying health conditions, you can take proactive steps toward finding relief. The journey may not always be easy, but with knowledge comes empowerment. So the next time you find yourself sweating more than you'd like, remember that there are explanations and solutions available to help you maintain your comfort and confidence as you navigate this chapter of life. Excessive sweating, especially in seniors, can often be attributed to a range of underlying health conditions. Conditions like diabetes, thyroid disorders, and heart issues can have a significant impact on how our bodies regulate temperature and sweat. Understanding these connections is crucial, as it allows us to identify when sweating may be a symptom of something more serious, rather than just a natural part of aging. Consider the story of Margaret, a vibrant 68-year-old who had always enjoyed her daily walks in the park. One day, she found herself sweating profusely, even on a mild autumn day. Initially, she thought it was just a part of getting older. But as the weeks went by, the sweating became more frequent and began to interfere with her life. Margaret wanted to enjoy her time outdoors without feeling self-conscious about her condition. This led her to consult her doctor, who helped her uncover the root cause, an overactive thyroid. Margaret's experience is not unique. Many people might dismiss their excessive sweating as a mere nuisance, but it can often be a sign that something else is going on. For instance, individuals with diabetes may experience fluctuations in blood sugar that can trigger sweating episodes. Similarly, those with heart problems may find that their bodies react to physical stress by sweating more than usual. It's essential to recognize that while aging brings about changes in our bodies, not all changes are benign. But what about medications? It's fascinating how certain prescriptions can unknowingly contribute to excessive sweating. Medications for depression, anxiety, or even pain management can have side effects that include increased perspiration. This means that someone might think they're simply experiencing the effects of aging, when in fact, a medication they started recently could be the culprit. Understanding this connection can empower seniors to have informed discussions with their healthcare providers about their treatment options. As we delve deeper, it's important to consider the emotional impact of excessive sweating. Imagine attending a family gathering, only to feel beads of sweat trickling down your back, making you self-conscious and uncomfortable. This is not just about physical discomfort. It affects social interactions and overall quality of life. People may avoid social outings or activities they once loved due to fear of embarrassment. Recognizing this emotional toll can motivate individuals like Margaret to seek help, not just for the physical symptoms, but for their overall well-being. The key takeaway here is awareness. Knowing the common causes of excessive sweating can help seniors and their loved ones identify when it's time to seek medical advice. If sweating is becoming a barrier to enjoying life or is accompanied by other concerning symptoms, such as rapid heart rate or unexplained weight loss, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional. Transitioning into solutions, once we understand the causes, we can explore practical strategies for managing excessive sweating. From lifestyle changes to medical treatments, there are numerous options available. Margaret, for example, learned to manage her thyroid condition with medication, which in turn reduced her sweating. She also found that wearing loose, breathable clothing and staying hydrated helped her feel more comfortable during her walks. In conclusion, while excessive sweating in seniors can be concerning, it's often manageable with the right knowledge and support. Recognizing potential underlying issues can lead to positive changes, allowing individuals to reclaim their social lives and enjoy everyday activities without fear. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. By sharing experiences and solutions, we can create a community that supports one another in overcoming the challenges of excessive sweating. Excessive sweating can be a challenging experience, and knowing when to seek medical help is crucial. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where sweating becomes disruptive, it's essential to recognize the signs that indicate it's time to consult a healthcare professional. Imagine this. You're at a family gathering, laughing and enjoying the moment, but suddenly, you feel beads of sweat trickling down your back. You might brush it off at first, but as the evening progresses, you become increasingly self-conscious, avoiding conversations and hiding your hands. This scenario is more common than you think, and understanding when to take action can empower you to regain control of your life. Excessive sweating, or hyperhidrosis, can significantly impact your quality of life. If you find that your sweating is causing you distress, affecting your social interactions, or leading you to avoid certain activities altogether, it's a clear signal that you should reach out to a doctor. Perhaps you've been invited to a beach party, but the thought of exposing yourself to others in a swimsuit makes you anxious because of your sweating. These feelings shouldn't have to dictate your choices. Seeking medical advice can help clarify whether your sweating is a benign issue or something more serious. But what are some specific signs that indicate it's time to consult a healthcare provider? If you experience sudden, unexplained sweating, especially if it occurs at night or is accompanied by other symptoms like weight loss, fever, or fatigue, it's important to schedule an appointment. These could be signs of an underlying health condition that needs attention. For example, hyperhidrosis can sometimes be linked to thyroid problems or diabetes, both of which require proper management. Let's take a moment to hear a story. Meet Sarah, a vibrant 67-year-old who loved gardening and spending time with her grandchildren. One summer, she noticed that her sweating had become increasingly excessive. Even during mild activities, she would find herself drenched and embarrassed. At first, she thought it was just a part of aging. However, as her sweating intensified, her confidence plummeted. Sarah decided to visit her doctor after a particularly uncomfortable family gathering, where she felt the need to excuse herself repeatedly to dry off. Her doctor conducted tests and discovered that Sarah had an overactive thyroid, a condition that was treatable. After starting her treatment, she slowly regained her confidence and could enjoy family gatherings again without worry. Now, you may be wondering about the process of seeking help. If you're feeling uncertain, start by talking to your primary care physician. Be prepared to discuss your symptoms in detail. Keeping a diary of your sweating episodes, noting when they occur and any triggers you observe, can be very helpful. This information can provide your doctor with insights into your condition and guide them in recommending the right treatment. In the meantime, while waiting for your appointment, there are steps you can take to make your life a little easier. For instance, try to avoid triggers like spicy foods or caffeine, which can exacerbate sweating. Wearing loose-fitting, breathable fabrics can also help you stay comfortable. These small adjustments can make a significant difference until you can get professional advice. As we wrap up this section, remember that you are not alone in this journey. Many people experience excessive sweating, and it's okay to seek help. The key is recognizing when the situation is affecting your life and understanding that there are solutions available. By taking that first step to consult a healthcare professional, you're not just addressing a symptom, you're reclaiming your life. So, if you find yourself sweating more than usual, don't hesitate. Schedule that appointment and take charge of your well-being. Managing excessive sweating can feel like an uphill battle, especially when it seems to take over your daily life. Fortunately, there are practical tips that can help you regain control and feel more comfortable in your skin. Imagine stepping outside on a beautiful sunny day, feeling confident and worry-free, rather than constantly checking for sweat stains. This vision can become a reality with the right strategies. To start, let's talk about clothing choices. Wearing breathable fabrics like cotton, linen, or moisture-wicking materials can make a significant difference. These fabrics allow air to circulate and help wick moisture away from your skin, keeping you cooler. Picture yourself slipping into a light cotton shirt, feeling the gentle breeze against your skin. It's refreshing. On the flip side, synthetic materials can trap heat and moisture, exacerbating the issue. So, next time you're shopping, look for clothes that promote comfort over style. Another essential tool in your arsenal is the use of clinical-strength antiperspirants. Unlike regular deodorants that mask odor, clinical-strength formulations contain higher concentrations of aluminum chloride, which blocks sweat glands. This means you can go about your day with greater confidence. Imagine applying a clinical-strength antiperspirant before heading to a family gathering, and instead of worrying about embarrassing sweat, you focus on enjoying quality time with your loved ones. While these practical steps can be incredibly effective, you might be curious about natural remedies. Herbal teas, such as sage or chamomile, have been reported to help reduce sweating for some. These teas are thought to have calming properties that can help balance the body's systems. For instance, a gentle cup of chamomile tea in the evening could not only help you unwind, but might also keep your sweat levels in check. Moreover, dietary changes can play a crucial role. Consider reducing spicy foods, caffeine, and alcohol, which can all trigger sweating. Imagine replacing that afternoon coffee with a refreshing herbal tea. It's a small change that could lead to a significant impact. Staying hydrated is another critical aspect of managing excessive sweating. While it might sound counterintuitive, drinking enough water can help regulate your body temperature. When your body is well hydrated, it can cool itself more efficiently, potentially leading to less sweating. Picture this. You're enjoying a hot day at the park, sipping on cold water, feeling energized rather than overheated. Creating a cooler environment is essential too. At home or work, simple changes like proper ventilation, using fans, or investing in an air conditioner can drastically improve your comfort. Imagine transforming your living space into a personal oasis, a cool sanctuary where you can escape the heat. During the hottest days, having an air-conditioned room to retreat to can make all the difference in how you feel. As we navigate through these solutions, it's important to remember that everyone's journey with excessive sweating is unique. What works for one person might not work for another, but trying out different approaches can lead to finding your perfect formula. For instance, one individual might find relief through mindfulness practices like yoga, which not only help manage stress, but can also reduce sweating. In conclusion, managing excessive sweating is not just about finding a quick fix. It's about adopting a holistic approach that encompasses clothing choices, dietary habits, and environmental adjustments. By incorporating these practical strategies into your daily routine, you can transform your experience from feeling self-conscious to confident and in control. Remember, you're not alone in this journey, and with the right tips and a supportive community, you can navigate through the challenges of excessive sweating with ease. Natural remedies and lifestyle changes can play a significant role in managing excessive sweating. Many individuals find that simple adjustments in their daily routines can lead to noticeable improvements, transforming their experience from discomfort to confidence. Imagine waking up each day feeling refreshed, ready to take on the world without the worry of sweat stains or awkward moments. One effective approach is to consider the impact of your diet on sweat levels. Certain foods can exacerbate sweating, while others can help regulate it. For instance, spicy foods may trigger a sweating response due to their heat content, causing your body to cool down. On the other hand, incorporating foods rich in magnesium, like leafy greens and nuts, can help maintain a calm nervous system, potentially reducing excessive sweating. This is where the journey begins. Picture a person who, after learning about these dietary changes, decides to swap out their afternoon snack of spicy chips for a refreshing salad. Over time, they notice a decrease in their sweating episodes, leading to newfound comfort and freedom in social settings. Additionally, herbal teas have gained popularity as a natural remedy for managing hyperhidrosis. Teas made from sage, chamomile, or peppermint can have calming effects on the body and may help regulate sweat production. Imagine someone sipping on a warm cup of sage tea before a big presentation. Instead of worrying about perspiration, they feel a sense of tranquility wash over them, allowing them to focus on delivering their best performance. This small ritual can make a significant difference, showcasing the power of natural remedies in everyday life. Hydration is another crucial element in this journey. Staying well hydrated helps regulate body temperature, which can ultimately reduce the need for excessive sweating. Visualize someone carrying a reusable water bottle throughout the day, consistently sipping water. As a result, they not only feel more energized but also notice a decrease in sweat production. This simple yet effective change reinforces the idea that managing excessive sweating doesn't always require elaborate solutions. Sometimes, it's about making small, consistent choices that lead to remarkable transformations. In addition to dietary adjustments, mindfulness practices can offer significant benefits. Techniques such as yoga and meditation can help reduce stress and anxiety, both of which are known triggers for excessive sweating. Imagine an individual who, overwhelmed by daily pressures, discovers the calming effects of a 10-minute meditation session. As they breathe deeply and focus on their well-being, they find that their sweating decreases, allowing them to engage more fully in their life without the fear of embarrassment. Creating a cooler environment is another essential aspect to consider. Simple changes like using fans, keeping windows open for ventilation, or opting for light, breathable fabrics can dramatically improve comfort levels. Picture transforming a stuffy room into a refreshing oasis with just a few adjustments. By prioritizing comfort in their surroundings, individuals can navigate their daily lives with greater ease, free from the anxiety of excessive sweating. As we conclude this exploration of natural remedies and lifestyle changes, remember that these strategies can lead to profound improvements in your quality of life. The journey from discomfort to confidence is achievable with the right knowledge and practices. By embracing these changes, you're not just managing a symptom, you're reclaiming your life. So, as you move forward, consider how these small yet impactful steps can pave the way for a more comfortable and enjoyable existence. Together, we can foster a community that supports one another in overcoming the challenges of excessive sweating. Stay empowered, stay cool, and take charge of your journey. Staying cool is not just about enjoying a pleasant breeze on a hot day. It's a crucial aspect of managing excessive sweating, especially for those dealing with hyperhidrosis. Imagine stepping outside on a scorching summer afternoon, and instead of feeling the sweat trickle down your back, you feel a refreshing coolness wrapping around you. This transformation is possible, and it begins by creating an oasis in your everyday environment. To start, consider the power of proper ventilation. Good airflow can mean the difference between a comfortable day and an uncomfortable one. Think of your home as a living organism. It needs to breathe. Opening windows can allow cross-ventilation, bringing in cooler air from outside while pushing out the hot, stale air. If you live in a particularly humid area, using exhaust fans in kitchens and bathrooms can help reduce moisture in the air, which is often a trigger for excessive sweating. Now, let's talk about air conditioning, your best friend in the battle against sweat. When properly set, air conditioning not only cools the air, but also reduces humidity, making it less likely for sweat to form. Have you ever walked into a well-cooled room after being outside? The instant relief can feel euphoric. Investing in a good quality air conditioning unit can be life-changing. especially during those peak summer months. However, what if you don't have access to air conditioning? There are still plenty of effective strategies to keep your environment cool. Consider using fans strategically placed to encourage airflow. Ceiling fans can circulate air effectively, providing a refreshing breeze that can help keep sweat at bay. Additionally, using cooling gel cushions or even placing a bowl of ice in front of a fan can create a makeshift air conditioning effect. But staying cool isn't just about the environment. It's also about your lifestyle choices. Have you ever noticed how certain activities can make you feel hotter? Engaging in strenuous exercise during the hottest part of the day can lead to unnecessary sweating. Instead, try to schedule your workouts for cooler times, such as early morning or late evening. This small change can make a significant difference in how you feel throughout the day. Another powerful way to stay cool is through hydration. Drinking plenty of water helps regulate your body temperature. When you're well hydrated, your body is better equipped to deal with heat and sweating. Imagine sipping on a cold glass of water while lounging by a fan. It's a simple yet effective way to combat heat and sweating. Now, let's not forget about clothing choices. Opt for lightweight, breathable fabrics like cotton or moisture-wicking materials. These fabrics allow for better airflow and help draw sweat away from your body, keeping you feeling fresher for longer. Picture yourself in a light cotton shirt on a hot day, as opposed to a heavy polyester blend that clings to your skin. The difference is palpable. Creating a cooler environment is not merely about physical space. It's also about your mental approach. When you take proactive steps to manage your surroundings, you empower yourself. You move from feeling overwhelmed by sweating to embracing a lifestyle that accommodates your needs. As we wrap up this section, remember that staying cool is a combination of environmental adjustments, lifestyle changes, and smart choices. It's about transforming your space into a sanctuary where you can feel at ease, regardless of the heat outside. The next time you feel the heat rising, take a moment to implement these strategies. Not only will you find relief from excessive sweating, but you'll also cultivate a sense of control and comfort in your daily life. You're not alone in this journey, and with these tools in your arsenal, you can face the heat with confidence and poise. Excessive sweating, or hyperhidrosis, can feel isolating and frustrating, but it's crucial to remember that you're not alone and there are ways to manage it effectively. Imagine feeling confident and comfortable in social situations, free from the worry of sweat stains or discomfort. Achieving that state is not just a dream. It's possible with the right strategies and mindset. To start, acknowledging that excessive sweating is a common issue can be the first step toward taking control. Many individuals experience this condition, and understanding its nature can help you feel more at ease. As we've discussed throughout this video, age, health conditions, and even medications can play a significant role in why you might be sweating more than usual. But what if you could harness this knowledge to transform your daily experiences? One effective way to manage excessive sweating is by making small adjustments in your environment. Picture this. You walk into your home after a long day, and instead of feeling a wave of heat and discomfort, you're greeted by a refreshing, cool atmosphere. Simple changes, like using fans or ensuring proper ventilation, can create a more comfortable living space. Keeping your home cool isn't just about comfort. It can significantly impact how much you sweat. By making your environment a personal oasis, you're not just changing your physical space, but also enhancing your mental well-being. Consider the power of breathable fabrics. Wearing loose, lightweight clothing made of natural materials like cotton or linen can make a world of difference. It's like giving your skin a breath of fresh air. On the other hand, tight or synthetic fabrics can trap heat and moisture, exacerbating the issue. A simple shift in wardrobe can lead to a significant reduction in discomfort. This transformation can empower you to engage in activities you love without the looming fear of excessive sweating. And let's not overlook the role of hydration. Staying hydrated is not just about drinking water. It's about understanding how your body regulates temperature. Dehydration can lead to an increase in sweating as your body tries to cool itself down. Imagine sipping a refreshing glass of water on a hot day, feeling revitalized rather than overheated. By prioritizing hydration, you're taking proactive steps to manage your body's response to heat and stress. For those looking for natural remedies, herbal teas and dietary changes can be surprisingly effective. Certain herbs, like sage and chamomile, are known for their calming properties and may help regulate sweat production. Similarly, being mindful of your diet, embracing fresh fruits and vegetables while avoiding spicy or overly processed foods, can impact your sweating levels. This isn't just about managing a condition, it's about nourishing your body and feeling your best. However, if these strategies don't provide the relief you need, seeking medical advice is essential. There's no shame in consulting a healthcare professional if excessive sweating disrupts your daily life. They can help identify underlying conditions or recommend treatments that can make a significant difference. Remember, recognizing when to seek help is a sign of strength, not weakness. As we conclude this segment, it's vital to embrace the journey toward managing excessive sweating with optimism and determination. You have the power to transform your experiences. By understanding your body, making thoughtful changes, and seeking support when needed, you can reclaim your confidence and enjoy life without the burden of excessive sweating. The road may have its challenges, but with the right tools and mindset, you can navigate this journey successfully. Thank you for joining us. And remember, together we can foster a supportive community where everyone feels empowered to share their experiences and strategies. Stay cool and take care.